हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल बीइंग इंजीनियर। तो दोस्तों, आज से हम एक नई सीरीज़ शुरू करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, ये एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ है और काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। हम 100 क्वेश्चन 45 टू 60 मिनट में कवर करने वाले हैं और ये आपके लिए काफ़ी एडवांटेजेस होंगे जब आप रिवाइज़ करने वाले हो। ठीक है, तो काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी के क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, और ये कई बार रिपीटेड भी पूछे गए हैं और कई सारे नए क्वेश्चन भी है। ठीक है, तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। Which of the following has more fire resisting characteristics? Option C, compact sandstone. The rocks which are formed due to cooling of magma at a considerable depth from Earth's surface are called A, plutonic rocks. The plywood has advantage of same tensile strength in all directions. Due to attack of dry rot, the timber, option C, reduces to powder. Excess of alumina in brick earth makes the brick, option D, to crack and warp on drying. Pick up the correct statement from the following. In the stone arches, the stones are placed with their natural beds radial. In cornices, the stones are placed with their natural beds as vertical. In stone walls, the stones are placed with their natural beds as horizontal. All the option. So option D is correct. The constituents of cement, which is responsible for all the undesirable properties of a cement, is option C, tricalcium aluminate. Inner part of a timber log surrounding the pitch is called option C, hardwood. For testing the compressive and tensile strength of a cement, the cement mortar is made by mixing the cement and the standard sand in the proportion of option B 1:3. If capital P is the percentage of water required for normal consistency, water to be added for determination of initial setting time is option D 0.85 times of P. The basic purpose of retarder in a concrete is option A, to increase the initial setting time of cement paste in concrete. The clay and silt content in a good brick earth must be at least option A 50%. Which of the following is the purest form of iron? Option B, wrought iron. If the iron ore contains clay as an impurity, the flux added during the calcination is option B, sandstone. The stretcher bond in the brick masonry can be used only when the thickness of wall is option A, 90 mm. The plywood is option C, has a greater impact resistance to blows than ordinary wood. Then pick up the correct statement. The phenol is carbolic acid. The phenol is extracted from coal tar or prepared from benzene. Phenol reacts with the formaldehyde to form phenol formaldehyde resin. All the above. So the option D, all the above. Advantage of clamp compared to kiln for burning bricks is that it has less initial cost. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Solder material is an alloy which melts at a temperature above 400 degrees Celsius. Brazing is done at a temperature above 600 degrees Celsius to 1100 degrees Celsius. Brazing joint is stronger than solder joint. All the above. So option D is correct. Assertion A is pure lime takes a long time to develop adequate strength, and reason is pure lime has a slow hardening characteristics. So the correct answer is both A and R is true, and R is correct explanation of A. During pudding, molten metal is kept clear of the fuel. Carbon is converted into carbonic acid gas. Silicon forms a slag. All the above. So correct is all the above. Early attainment of a strength in a rapid hardening cement is mainly due to option B, finer grinding. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Quicklime is obtained by burning pure limestone. Hydraulic lime is obtained by burning limestone containing clay up to 5 to 30%. Poor lime is obtained by burning limestone containing impurities more than 5%. All the above. So correct is all the above. Which of the following cements contains maximum percentage of dicalcium silicate? So option B, low heat cement. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. Hydraulic lime is generally obtained by burning conker. Hydraulic lime sets slowly as compared to fat lime. Hydraulic lime is generally used in lime mortar. None of these, so option D is correct. Which of the following stresses is used for identifying the quality of structural steel? Option B, yield stress. Quicklime generates heat when added to water, reacts with carbon dioxide, may be used for whitewashing, all the above. So option D is correct. Assertion A, naturally turpentine oil is recommended as a thinner for indoor painting, and reason is turpentine oil is costlier than other thinners. So option B is correct. Both the A and R is true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Putty is made with finely powdered chalk and linseed oil. It is used for fixing glass panes, softened by solution of pearl ash and quicklime soaked in water. All the above. So answer is all the above. A mortar joint in a masonry which is normal to the face of wall is known as cross joint. Option C, cross joint. A volatile substance added to a paint to make its application easy and smooth is known as option B, solvent. Jumper is a tool used for option B, quarrying of stones. Pick up the volcanic rock from the following. So option C, basalt. Sapwood consists of option B, portion of timber between heartwood and cambium layer. Strength of cement concrete primarily depends upon option D, water cement ratio. The main function of alumina in brick earth is option A, to impart plasticity. Cast iron is obtained by purifying pig iron, is manufactured in required shapes, may contain 2 to 5% of carbon with other impurities, all the above. So option D, all the above. Which of the following pairs gives a correct combination of the useful and harmful constituents respectively of a good brick earth? Option B, silica and alkalis. Pick up the correct statement from the following. The distinct plane of division along which a stone can be easily be split is called natural bed of stone. The natural bed of sedimentary rock is along the planes of stratification. The natural bed of igneous rock is not defined, all the above. So answer D, all the above. Hydraulic lime is obtained by burning of conker. On varnish generally consists of oil varnish, generally consists of option C, resin, oil and turpentine. For testing compressive strength of cement, the size of cube used is option A, 50 mm. When a brick is immersed in water for 24 hours and then dried, here for testing compressive strength of cement, the size of cube used is 70.6 mm. Okay. When a brick is immersed in water for 24 hours and then dried, if option D, no gray or white deposit appear on the surface, the brick is free from soluble salts. 10% surface is covered with gray or white deposits, the brick has slight appearance. 50% surface is covered with grey or white deposits, the brick has serious efflorescence. Then gypsum consists of option B CaSO4 and H2O, calcium sulfate and water. For sanitary pipes and chemical stonewares, option A salt glazing is used. The most commonly used retarder in cement is option A gypsum. The rocks which are formed due to cooling of magma at a relatively shallow depth from the earth's surface are called option B hypobasal rocks. The ratio of the thickness of web to that of flange of a steel rolled structural beams and canal is option A less than 1. Non-acid resistant asbestos is option B chrysotile asbestos. The pressure acting on the stones in stone masonry construction should be option D perpendicular to the direction of bending planes. Pick up the constituents of a good brick earth whose excess cause the raw bricks shrink and warp during the drying and burning from the following. Option A alumina. The type of bond provided in the brick masonry for carrying heavy load is option C English bond. Blister steel is obtained by cementation process, is full of fissures and cavities, can be easily welded, all the above. Option D all the above. Gypsum is a option C chemically precipitated sedimentary rock. Seasoning of timber is done option D to remove water. Which of the following is a rock? Option C gypsum. The tendency of a stone is to split along option C cleavage. Which of the following stone is best suited for construction of piers and abutment of railway bridge? Option A granite. Cast iron contains carbon approximately option A 1.5% to 5.5%. Which of the following trees yields hard wood? Option C shisham. Soundness of cement is tested by option B Le Chatelier apparatus. First class timber has the average life of option D more than 10 years. Bitumen may be dissolved in carbon disulfide. Which of the following ingredient of the brick earth enables the brick to retain its shape? Option B silica. Veneering means option C thick layer of superior wood glued to inferior wood. Option next, the number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry is option C 500. Which of the following is used for preparing porcelain? Option D all the above: clay, feldspar and quartz. The main ingredient of Portland cement are option A lime and silica. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Blistering may be cured by applying water paint, finish with oil paint, dried with a little copal varnish. Cracked paints may be cured by removing paints and giving a fresh coat of paint. Crawling paints may be cured by sand preparing the surface and giving a fresh coat with plenty of tubs. All the above. So option D all the above. After storage, the strength of cement option A decreases. A bull nose brick is not used for option B arches. The most common admixture which is used to accelerate the initial set of concrete is option B calcium chloride. Chlorite, a green color mineral, is mainly derived from the decomposition of option A augite. The ultimate tensile strength of structural mild steel is about option C 420 Newton per mm square. Asbestos is a natural fibrous mineral substance. Is composed of hydrous silicates of calcium and magnesium. contains iron oxide and alumina, all the above. So option D, all the above. A queen closer is a option C brick having the same length and depth as the other brick but half the breadth. The percentage of alumina and silica in good fire clay vary respectively is option A 25% and 75%. The proportions of lime and sand in a mortar normally used in brick construction are option A 1:2. Index number expressing the relative sizes of both coarse and fine aggregate is called option B fineness modulus. Which of the following sedimentary rocks changes into quartzite by metamorphic action? So option A sandstone. Lime putty is made from hydraulic lime, is made by adding lime to water, can be used only up to 3 days, all the above. So option D, all the above. The stone suitable for rubble masonry should be hard. Pick up the correct statement. Air bubbles in casting produce a dull sound by tapping their surface lightly with a hammer. Cupola furnace is used for the manufacturing of cast iron. Red short iron is of no value for welding purpose. Option D, all the above. Spalling hammer is used for option B, rough dressing of stones. Bulletproof glass is made of thick glass sheet sandwiched by a layer of option C, high test plastic. Plywood is made by bonding together thin layers of wood in such a way that the angle between the grains of any layer of grain of adjacent layer is option D, 90 degree. According to IS 399/1963, the weight of the timber is specified at option C, 12% moisture content. The internal size of mold used in brick preparation is option C, greater than the size of fully burnt brick. Pick up the correct statement from the following. The free quartz suddenly expands at a temperature lower than 600 degrees Celsius. The limestone resists fire up to 800 degrees Celsius, and at higher temperature it splits into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The sandstone with silicates resist a fire in a better way. Option D, all the above. Quicklime is option B, calcium oxide. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Stearin resin is produced from ethylene, which is made from petroleum. Stearin resin is light in weight. Stearin resin transmits ultraviolet waves of light. All the above. Option D, all the above. The initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement as specified as per IS specification should not be less than option B, 30 minutes. Rapid hardening cement attains early strength due to option A, larger portion of lime grounded finer than normal cement. With increase in moisture content, the bulking of sand option C first increases to certain maximum value and then decreases. Plywood is normally available option C 3 mm to 4 mm thick. Compared to mild steel, cast iron has option D, first and fourth means high compressive strength and low tensile strength. In mortar, the binding material is option A, cement. Vehicle used in the case of enamel paints is usually option C, varnish. In the method of condensation polymerization, low molecular substances are removed from the high molecular substance. The reaction proceeds with an evolution of ammonia. The reaction proceeds with an evaluation of hydrogen chloride. Option D, all the above. The slenderness ratio for masonry walls should not be more than option B, 20. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हमने 100 क्वेश्चंस पूरे कर लिए। होप आपको ये लेक्चर अच्छा लगा होगा। हमने क्विकली आपके 100 क्वेश्चन करवा लिए हैं। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ में शेयर कीजिए। अगर आपको इसमें कुछ सजेशन है कि हमने किस तरह से क्वेश्चन लेने चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हो। ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।